Joyce, tell me about Alzheimer Scotland.
Alzheimer Scotland's leading charity for people living with dementia. We provide services in every health and social care partnership in Scotland, and those services will range from very early support through a link worker or through a dementia resource centre with a dementia advisor. We offer ranges of therapeutic support.
Gillian, I understand that Alzheimer Scotland has developed a new tool called Adam. Do you want to tell us about it?
Alzheimer Scotland's been working in partnership with the tech programme from Scottish Government. We've established that there is a disconnect between people living with long-term health conditions and the technologies that they might be able to use to support them to live better and to achieve the outcomes that they want and that they desire to achieve. So we've been working with a number of partners across Scotland to develop a new model which will take a digital format that we're working on at the moment through CivTech, which is a new way of procuring a digital platform, and may eventually become voice and AI driven, but will support people living in their communities to make better decisions about technologies.
And what do you see as the principal long-term benefits of Adam?
We see Adam as being able to relieve some pressures on statutory services by allowing people to self-manage for longer, but also by allowing them to retain choice and control with their health conditions. At the moment we're basing it on people living with dementia because that's our area of expertise, but we're also working with people who are at risk of falls, people with learning disability and people who are in receipt of overnight support.
For the last 5 years, Alzheimer Scotland has been working with the Scottish Government Tech Programme, and our very first part of the journey was we adapted a tech charter. We want to make sure that everybody living with dementia has the right to have a digital solution if that's what they want. We've been working on that. We did that at the beginning, and then we started working with workforce development, and we've trained over 2,000 people in Scotland on the benefits of digital. And now with our test of change and the Adam work, this is our next phase in our digital journey.